In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make money with Webflow. Let's delve into the primary method through which Webflow generates revenue. That is, by offering website hosting and subscriptions. Primarily, Webflow's main income stream comes from its varied subscription plans. They do offer a free starter plan that learners can use on a specified .webflow.io subdomain. Although, to access advanced features or to connect a custom domain, users must upgrade to a paid plan. These plans are deliberately priced at different levels to attract a wide range of users, including both individuals and large teams. Shift our focus now to another method of revenue generation for Webflow, which is through marketplace sales. You see, Webflow has a marketplace where creative designers can sell website templates, components, and other design materials. When a design asset is sold on this platform, the smart folks at Webflow receive a portion of the earnings. It's a win-win for both the designer and Webflow. Thirdly, Webflow reaps indirect benefits from a large community of professional freelancers and agencies. These professionals frequently use Webflow to build customized websites for their clients. While these experts directly bill their clients for services rendered, this practice indirectly fortifies Webflow by increasing its user base and enhancing its brand visibility. So the more professionals use the platform, the more valuable it becomes. Lastly, Webflow capitalizes on other potential streams of revenue, one of which includes affiliate marketing. This system allows people to earn commissions when they refer new customers to Webflow. Additionally, Webflow has implemented online workshops and courses as a means to educate its users. These courses not only boost credibility, but also act as a supplementary revenue stream. Another service that Webflow offers is SEO services that help optimize sites built on their platform. And that's all there is to it. Making money with Webflow is not just about building and designing websites, but also understanding and leveraging the numerous income-generating opportunities the platform offers. Remember, the key is to create value and meet the needs of your clients to thrive in the Webflow ecosystem. Keep an eye out for more tutorials where we discuss these techniques in detail, and happy Webflowing!